Hello guys, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I transformed my leftover beans to this sumptuous meal here guys. I cooked beans and potatoes. I didn't feel like eating it anymore, so I thought of what to do to spice up the dish. I started off by washing my hands. Then the onions, I started to peel off the back of the onions. I washed the pepper too. Then I started off by prepping the ingredients. I first diced the onion. I used this plate as a substitute for a chopping board, and believe me, you wouldn't know there is really a difference. Then went ahead with the pepper. I make it a point of duty to wash my hands because my hands are very sensitive to pepper. I went in by shaking my red oil. I added it to the pot, allowed it to heat for a while, then added the onions and the pepper. I stirred it a bit. I added in the beans and potatoes, then I stir fried it a bit. Next, I went in with the vegetables. I washed them and also added them to the beans and potatoes. And guys, as you can see this, you can see how appetizing it looks compared to the way it was looking like previously. So if you have something like this at home, and instead of you to throw it away, you should just spice it up a bit, add one or two things that make it taste very fresh. So guys, on this note, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.